In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Steam for free. So this is actually pretty simple, and the best way to do this one is by heading over here to the Friends tab at the top. You can go over and click that one, and you should be able to see here, add a friend. I'm going to go ahead and click this one over here, and you should be redirected in here. Now, make sure that you have your friend's code, otherwise you won't be able to do this one. It's very difficult for you to be able to randomly know their name, because again, you have to know the code. So yeah, what you can do is just basically look for that particular person's code here, say for example this one, and then you can go ahead and click this one right here and then add them as a friend. Obviously I'm not going to be doing that one because I don't know these people. Another thing that you can do is sending a quick invite. So this one is going to be the easier one. You can go ahead and just go copy this one, and then you can go ahead and send them to that particular person via messenger, basically any SNS that you have. Another thing that you can do is searching your friends. So I'm going to go ahead and try to search here. For example, I'm going to be doing that one, and then you should be able to see here, yeah, friends of yours. Make sure you have the right account, and then you can go ahead and tap add a friend here. And yeah, those are basically the ways in order for you to get this done, everybody. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button down below. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.